What's up? We're back, and we got the pedals for the Camaro. Let me put these on the ground actually, so I can prop you guys up. There. Okay. So right now we're taking off the part of the dash, that way we can get underneath to the pedals. Turn on the light so you guys can see. Get underneath to the pedals. So there's screws underneath here that takes off the swings it straight. You want to pull off this side piece, especially if you have like a Berlinetta with the dash components on the top, like turn signals and stuff. You want to slide this off. This slides right off and slides back on. I'll show you on that one. I took this one off. And then there's screws up here holding this piece into place, which is stopping you from taking this off. Should we get enough? This should slide right out. Position is terrible. Come on. Might not be able to show you guys. This slides out. Oh shit. Yeah, I'm gonna stop the recording really quick, but I'm gonna basically show you guys on this one. It just slides in like this. I can even get it in there. As you can see, slides closed. And you pull it forward. You just pull it all the way out, and it has quick disconnects. You unlatch those quick disconnects, and you pull them off. So I'll get back to you guys once I get this stuff down and get ready to take out the pedals. Okay, so as you can see, I got this off. I didn't manage to get that one off, but that's fine. I tilted the column up. And so if you look underneath on the brake pedal, there's gonna be two switches. One is gonna be for your brake lights, and the other one is going to be for your cruise control, I'm pretty sure. It's either cruise control or ABS, but I don't, last time I checked, these cars never came with ABS, so I'm pretty sure it's cruise control. Yeah, I know the other one's definitely your brake lights. Which one that is, I do not remember exactly. I had to look at the pigtails, but the kit that I bought from Hawks Motorsports has everything you need as far as the pigtails goes, the connectors, these pieces that go into the bracket up here. Yeah, and I'll put a link in the description for it, for anyone that wants to do this. So what you got to do next, for one, I need to like move these wires out the way, because I cannot see anything. And then I got to disconnect them. I already disconnected this one. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys when I do that. Okay, so I forgot to mention, behind here is another wire that's connected to this. It's the wires are brown and gray. I forgot exactly what these do, but you disconnect these as well, and then boom. Next you gotta unbolt the pedal and everything. They say you gotta drop the steering column, which I kind of, just to get to the bolts up top, which I kind of don't want to do, but I might have to. But yeah, I'll get around to that. Check back with you guys when I have this off, and I'll go through how I got it off. I won't be able to show because there's really not enough space. Okay, so I'm back, and I got the pedals removed. That's how it looks underneath here. But yeah, as you can see, it's the gas pedal, the brake pedal assembly right here. This goes in, up and in like stupid ass shit. So this goes up and in like this. It sits on these back pieces right here. This is actually supposed to be in a little bit further. This has to come down a little bit more. But yeah, we're swapping this out for this. Let me get it out the box for you guys. So out with the old and with the new. Clutch pedal and brake assembly. It comes with the connections like these two fittings here and in here. So brake ABS, and then there's another fitting for the clutch neutral safety. Yeah, that's how it looks. So it mounts up to the regular two places right here, from the two studs right here at the top as well, and this is adjustable because not every third gen is made the same. And it also mounts to the bottom two studs over here for the clutch, which is those two holes down there. Those two U-bolt holes right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. But yeah, I'm gonna mount it up or get it as close as mounted up as I can, and I'll get back with you guys. Okay, I'm back. I couldn't get around to mounting the pedals because there's a bracket. I wouldn't even say it's a bracket. I really don't even consider it a bracket, but it gets in a way of putting the pedals for the pedals to fit. So I just took a break, but with these, because you took those 4 bolts off the pedals, this is actually what also holds in the brake booster. As you can see, it's sliding in and out. So you would want to like lift this out a little bit, lift it up and out to get you some space. I do plan on going with a upgraded Willwood 4th gen style slave cylinder and proportioning valve. But yeah, I'm gonna call it one. Thanks for tuning in. Bye. Alright guys, don't forget to check out my SSC page. I have a link to it down in the bottom description. That's where I basically post everything, like all photos from when we go out to meets of like cool cars that we see and everything. It's also where I post some of my like merch promotions. So far it's only been stickers, but for like $5 a sticker you can get like a cool ass sticker. So make sure you check it out. Support me by, slapping that like button, hitting the subscribe, sharing. Get you some merch. Get an SSE sticker. Why not? You can slap it on the car. But check out the SSE page where I have some of my friends that help me run the page that are also like, I would guess you could say like are photographers, because some of them are photographers. They do car photography and like they set up car shoots and all of that. And one of them used to shoot for things like Cars and Coffee, Tuner Evo, and other big events like that. I will put the link to the description down below of the page, and also on that page you can also find where you see my promotions for like merches and stickers like that. I'm in the process of making shirts or like hoodies or something, or getting something like that. So if you guys want that as well, make sure you go and check that out. We're at 46 subscribers. Let's try to hit 50. Once we hit 50, the goal is 100. And from 100, we keep going. Peace. GoPro, stop recording.